Hey everybody, if you don't already know, I'm O and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're focusing on getting prepped for the winter, making everything all warm and cozy and clean. Check it out. As you can see, we are starting with my bed. In the last video, I did raise my bed up just a little higher, and I wanted to go ahead and freshen it up and update it with all new linen and a mattress pad and all that good stuff. So I have the mattress pad on. I really like this because it goes on like a fitted sheet. I've never seen that before, so that's really cool. And everything else is currently being washed. So I'll be back after everything is clean. All right, everything is clean. These smell so good, but I'm going to go ahead and get them on the bed. There is nothing like cozying up under some fresh bed linen, especially in the winter months. You know, let me know down in the comments if you feel the same. Thank you all for clicking on this video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm O. On my channel, I do tons of lifestyle, DIYs, home decor, and more. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do like it, go ahead and hit the like button, leave me a comment below, and of course, subscribe, and don't forget to ring my bell. Okay, I'm all done. And last but not least, since it's the holiday season, I'm sorry this is so dark, but the lights were just making it worse. So let's see if we can focus. That's what we're gonna spray here. Spray a little mistletoe. So now that the warm and cozy vibes have been set inside, thanks to Newair, the sponsors of today's video, we can keep the party going and stay warm and cozy outside as well. This is the Newair outdoor electric heater. It is a wall-mounted space heater that's perfect for outdoor spaces, patios, and porches. There is no exaggeration when I tell you that this is perfect for my family and I. We will do a bonfire in the snow. No kidding. And if you've been watching us for a while, you know that my husband will barbecue in the rain, the snow. So this is perfect for him to, you know, stay warm when he's out there on the grill. This patio space heater came with two mounting brackets, one which is already pre-installed and it is hinged so that you can tilt it in different directions, and it also comes with all the hardware. As you can see, it has a sleek, clean design. You can't go wrong with black, and this bad boy is waterproof, y'all. extremely lightweight. That's important since you have to hang it high up on a wall, and also it is remote controlled. Again, perfect because it's hung up high on the wall. We are not climbing up a ladder every time we need to turn this on and off. She came with a remote. My husband definitely wanted to look over the manual, make sure that we're operating it properly. This is a heater. You want to use it as safely as possible. But the setup was pretty straightforward. Once we were clear about where we wanted it located, it was as simple as hanging it up and turning it on. The power button activates the 1500 watt heater, and the button that looks like a clock activates the timer function, which turns the heater off after 2 hours. As you can see, the heater gives off this beautiful glow, and the heat that it provides is even better. Are you someone who enjoys spending a little bit of cozy time outdoors in the winter? Let me know down in the comments. If you are definitely someone who should visit the link in my description. You can get yourself or someone you love the Newair outdoor electric heater. Newair made it a little easier for you to do that by providing the promo code. That promo code is Mom Outdoor Heater, and it can be found in the description. Thank you so much to Newair for this new space heater and being continued supporters of my channel. And thank you guys for being here. Until next time, thanks for watching and Happy New Year.